Here's our package from Reptile Express. It's a big box. This is a big box. Henry, quiet! He's in his kennel because he would get into everything. Alright. He didn't put the Reptile Express thing on the front. Okay. What is this?
It's 2 Argentine balls. A male and a female.
Okay.
I'm not there,
Look at you. And this is our boy. This is number 3. They're like the pillowcases. Well, the females is rise. Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do. We got pliers here somewhere. The newspaper's in the way, but oh, you know. So that means we got a trio of Argentines now. So this must be the boy, right?
Yeah.
He wants out. You can see his little head. Hi. Hey, buddy.
It appears to be a small.
What?
This guy appears to be a small.
Yeah. Look at you. You are beautiful. He's gorgeous. Look at him. He's not too cold, not too warm. Perfect. You like them? Yeah. Henry, you sound like you're being tortured in there. We'll take him out after, but Henry would be nipping at the snakes if he was out. He's a little snot. He's still a puppy. Hi. Yeah, he's gorgeous. Alright, let's look at number 2. Oh look, he's got like a lighter spot on his chin from the rest of them. The rest of it's yellow.
Yeah, they have. That's normal.
That's cool. He's like, I don't want to go back in now. He's like, I've been in there for 20 hours, 22 hours actually. Exactly, they got picked up at 12, and it is now 10, so they've been in those for 20 hours. You'll get in your cage soon enough. Sit back in. Here you go, buddy. Huh? That's a boa thing. All boas do that. There you go. I know his name. And yeah, she's definitely the big one. Look at that. Look at the space she's taking. We've already been told that she's pretty big, so for her species. Those are Dumeril's boas, in case, you know, somebody didn't notice. And there. Wow, yes. She's very big. Holy crap. Look at her. She's huge. She okay?
Oh.
Just kind of taking my distance. We've never met these snakes before. I'm assuming he would have let us know if she was feisty. Henry's usually pretty good at that. Look at you. Gorgeous. Yeah, watch her. She's going down there. Oh, he's out, by the way.
Yeah, I'm watching him. I didn't let her to.
Look at her. Holy shit. Pardon the language, but wow. And yes, we got a breeding pair of Dumerills. Yeah, watch her here. Look at her. Get down. They're beautiful. And he's coming out too. I can't wait to name them. What do you think? You like them? She's huge. She's got a big head too. Well, for her size, anyway. Hmm? Yeah, she's heavy bodied. She's nice and strong too. Got a little scar here. Or is that a scar, or is that just pigment? No, that's pigment. She probably, well, it could have been when she might have lost a scale at some point. We've got one of our snakes that lost a scale and it came out white like that after. I mean, she must be old.
No, I don't think she's old.
I don't know. She's huge. I just... She's gonna break the box. Wow. She's gorgeous. And he's going somewhere. Alright. And where are the Argentines?
Right there.
Can we open it up just to get a closer look at them? Before I reach my 10-minute mark on the videos. There. There you go. She'll get out anyway. Come here. Okay, maybe we should put them away first. What do you think, huh?
Yeah.
They're beautiful. I love the pattern. What do you think, Al?
Yeah.